Hello and welcome to another video. So today I have the Logitech K350 Comfort Wave keyboard. It's a curved design for improved typing comfort. Has this built-in cushion there, and it has a unifying connector, so you can connect up to 6 Logitech devices through one USB dongle. It has 36-month battery life, which is pretty great. All right, so let's open it up. Has tape on both sides. Let's see what it says on the back. Whisper quiet typing for hours. So it seems like quiet keys. Talks about the unifying receiver. And it has those extra buttons on top right there. There we go. The receiver, the dongle, is on the top left of your box, so don't forget that. There's also a cable in the box back here. Let's see, there's nothing else. This cable is essentially a USB male to female cable, which allows you to extend your USB port closer to the keyboard in case you have connection issues, but really shouldn't with this one. So there's a picture of you using that extender. You really shouldn't have a problem with that, but say your desktop sits a few feet behind a wall or something like that, the CPU sits somewhere else, you can kind of use this to extend the range of your receiver. That. Here's the keyboard. There's some tape on top. I'm going to take that off. So let's see here. Okay, so yeah, the keys are very comfortable here. There's more tape there. There's our keys for show all windows, to zoom into and zoom out of a window. Go to the settings, take a picture, music to open up a media center, volume up, down, mute button, next, pause, play, open up the calculator, and of course, turn on and off the PC. These keys are highly customizable, so you do have a function key, just like you would in a laptop, where you can open up Word, Excel, the calendar, and in an Explorer, whatever browser you want, your email app. And these are all customizable. And then I guess this shows you the battery on the computer, I'm guessing. Not really sure what that does. This is a search button. So lots of customizable buttons on here. This cushion here feels pretty comfortable. Seems like a leathery material. There's a button light here that probably shows you when the battery's low. On the back, you have the K350 with the unifying logo. We're gonna pull, so it comes with batteries installed already. We're gonna pull that out. We have the tabs for different heights here. You can just use the small one, or you can use the big one. And you can choose the angle and height of the keyboard you want. So essentially, you can go that tall, or you can use the smaller one, and that would be that tall. So depending on the angle you want for your hand, you have 2 different options. Okay, so I'm gonna plug the keyboard into my computer, but before that, I have a Logitech mouse with another unifying receiver, this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and unify these two dongles into one. So to do that, we're gonna install the Logitech Unifying software. So I'm gonna walk you through how you can unify your devices. So we're gonna just quickly install this software. It literally takes a minute, and it is very easy. It just walks you through what you want to do. So you can go ahead and plug in one unifying receiver. So I'm gonna plug in the one that came with the keyboard. Doesn't matter which one you use, but I'm gonna plug in the one that came with the keyboard to my desktop. Okay, so I have it plugged in. I'm gonna hit the next button. Locate the on-off button. So once that comes up, all you have to do is take your second device, mouse, keyboard, whatever, turn it on and off, and it goes onto this screen, and my mouse is moving. So please confirm that the mouse pointer is moving. Yes, it is. And click next. And now both your keyboard and mouse are connected to the computer just through one unifying device. So this is my mouse 510 is now ready to use. All right, and let's see if the keyboard's working. So keyboard's working too. So there you go. That's how you unify two devices. Pretty easy. Takes less than a minute.